Okay, I guess the video ran out at some point and I did not notice it. Not sure where it ended, but I will have to look at that later. Putting the governor back on here after completely rechecking and reassembling everything using the new timing marks that I marked on the flywheel with a magic marker. I'm making sure that these governor weights are actually kind of loose in the spots they're in, so that they're not sticking, because I need the governor to be as responsive as possible to run at slow speeds. So hopefully, and I was saying I will see what happens. I know Thomas PC Guru had solved his issues with this governor by just bending this arm here so the balls don't stick out as far, and I don't have a good way to do that, I don't think, or I don't have a plan for doing that without possibly damaging that, so that's why I decided to go with the washer here. But let's see. So, because I'm not sure where the camera cut out. Here we go, top dead. The exhaust, or bottom dead, that's bottom dead center. As bottom dead center comes around, the exhaust valve pops open very close to the bottom, and then as top dead center comes around, it closes just before top dead center, and I think that will do a lot for slow running this engine, but we'll see. Slow running takes perfect timing basically, and of course I don't have any really advanced equipment for checking the timing. I'm just doing it all by eye, so if I can get it to run like this, great. Otherwise I will have to figure out how to speed up the governor a little bit without letting it go back to hitting the side of the engine like it was doing. So